Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to make a sketch of bird who's left the cage and wants to fly in open sky. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment me also. First of all, we have to draw a 7 centimeter circle. And then take a line and divide this line into 3 equal parts. Then take 2 vertically broad lines and start where we divide the line into 3 equal parts. Erase the unwanted part. Take a horizontal line and make a shell. Then repeat the step at the border of this. Look the video and do like this. Take vertically line and make a small circle. Draw a semicircle. Draw the lower part of the cage. Watch the video carefully and do step by step. Join the cage line vertically and horizontally. Draw a bird which wants to fly in the open sky. Shade a bird with pencil and you can use also crayons. Shade the second bird also. Then make some hearts, it's optional. Shade all the blank part. And it's done. Thank you guys for watching my video and subscribe to my channel because I'm a new YouTuber. Like this video, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.